If you want to add a fingerprint on the Motorola Edge 70, you just have to open Settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we want to go to the Security and Privacy. Now in here, we can go to the Device Unlock, then choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock, and of course we need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue. If you don't have the screen lock password, then you will have to set one up. Then over here, we're gonna go to the fingerprint. Let's press Setup. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor, so we need to touch it with our finger that we want to use to scan, and then touch and lift a couple of times. And we need to keep doing this until this green line makes the square. So we need to place our finger from different angles. If you, for example, position the finger as you did before, then the phone will tell you that the finger placement should vary slightly each time. So there we go. Try to scan your finger from every angle possible. And you should be able to then use your finger to unlock your phone. You can also move it up a little bit to make sure that even if you misplace your finger slightly, you can still use it to unlock your phone. And one more time, there we go. So once we are done, we can either add another fingerprint sensor, we can scan another fingerprint, this is what I mean, or we can just tap on Done. And there we go. Besides that, we have some settings in here, but that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.